Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Last week, Appa actually made a Hokkien char noodles video. There are a lot of my friends commented, they say, hey, Appa, in Penang, when you order Hokkien char, it's actually a combination between yellow noodle and beehoon, not only noodles. So, tonight, Appa is going to do something to make them happy. I'm making Hokkien char together with some noodles. Okay, together with some beehoon. Yeah, so I have yellow noodles and beehoon, and this yellow noodle is a very good ones. I got it from the local wet market near Puchong Jaya. No gan sui mei at all. Yeah, and this beehoon I actually soak it until it is softened before I use it here. And I have some veggie. You can use any kind of veggie you have. I think normally restaurant they will use choy sam. I got choy sam today. And I have some prawns, deshell and also devein, some garlic, yeah. And the sauce for the Hokkien char, I have some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. This is pork lard and crispy pork lard. This is dark soya sauce. This is sweetened dark soya sauce. This is light soya sauce and some salt. First of all, I'm going to put in some pork lard together with some crispy pork lard. I don't have so much pork lard with me, so I'm going to mix it with a bit of vegetable oil. And let's heat this up. Once the oil has been heated up, we can put in the garlic. Let's try to brown the garlic a little bit before we continue. We'll come back shortly. Once you start to see garlic started to brown, we can put in the prawn. And let me put in the veggie as well. Let's at least saute the prawn to be about half cooked, so at least about 1 minute. So this is after approximately 1 minute. We now going to put in the noodles and also beehoon. And I'm going to tune down the fire. Let's add in some water here. Okay, then we will start give it some seasoning. I will start with some fine salt, some light soya sauce. This is sweetened dark soya sauce. This is dark soya sauce. Some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. And just now I did not show you, I want to add some oyster sauce also. About 1 tablespoon. Now we can raise the heat. Hokkien char memang come with a bit of sauce, yeah? Let me bring this to a boil first. Very fast, it comes to a boil. I'm going to close the lid and let it simmer for about 1 minute. Almost done actually. So this is coming to about 1.5 minutes. Wow, you can see the noodles started to expand. Yeah, there's a sign telling you it is now fully cooked. Wow, look at how beautiful it is. You want to keep some sauce, yeah, for this Hokkien char. It's basically done. Let me serve only, then only never mind lah, I put some white pepper now lah. Or you can put when you serve. This dish is done. Right, so here's Appa, very simple Hokkien char, yeah? Beehoon and also yellow noodle. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Oh, by the way, for those who has fried onion, you can garnish some fried onion on top lah. Optional. Okay, If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button, follow up on Instagram, and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.